Afternoon chaps, it's your favourite pal for Scotland, Kyle. So a few of you asked me about the shock absorbers that I shipped apart, so I'm going to give you a quick rundown on why I got them shipped apart here before I put them back together. So, as you'll get them, this is a bottom collet. This keeps the spring in place. Usually this will be sitting, well, about here, give or take. But take this off after you compress the spring. Simple as spring out, washer off, and your preload mech. That's all there is to it. Nice and simple. The only thing I would advise if you're doing this, when you get the preload mech off, just get a wee bit of an oiling or copper grease or something, because after years and years and years of getting shite in them, they do get full of crap and they get a wee bit sticky and rusty. So while you've got them off, if you're doing it, you may as well clean them up. But while we're here as well, so these are my old, well, new Hyper Pros, which are just ridiculously stiff, and I'm 10 stone nothing, so I'm taking them off. And this is my freshly powder coated genuine Honda ones. Now you might be able to see you can see a bit of a difference there. For those who can, those who can't, but there is a considerable difference in the coils there. So, but I'm gonna set them up and then I'll get the video going again.